Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Nadine here, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing finger coils. I'm going to be using the Carol's Daughter Original Hair Milk Leave-In Conditioner and Styling Cream for today's look. So starting off, I'm just drying out any excess water from my hair because I am working on freshly washed hair. So you can use a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. I'm just using a regular towel because that's just what I had on me at the moment, but either one works. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair half up, half down, and I'm going to be working with the bottom section of my hair. So to start, I always like to make sure that I detangle, and I always use a wide tooth comb for this because I find that it helps to detangle the hair while preventing breakage. So I'm just going to comb through the bottom section of my hair. So to start off, I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner. I always start off with leave-in conditioner. I get just enough to moisturize the section of my hair, not too much, not too little. And I just rake the product all the way through my hair, as you can see. So to follow up, I'm going to be applying the styling cream, and I'm going to be taking a generous amount just like this, and I'm going to just apply it all over the section as well. And I like to be really thorough when I apply my leave-in conditioner and styling cream, especially towards the ends of my hair, because I find that the ends of my hair tend to get drier quicker than the rest of my hair. So I just like to apply it real thorough, real generous, just make sure that I coat each strand as best as I can. So now that I'm done applying all my product, I'm just gonna take this section of my hair and I'm just gonna twist it and wrap it up in a little bun, because I'm gonna be working with just one side of my hair to start. That's always how I work whenever I do finger coils or any type of particular style. And I'm just gonna start off with this section of my hair. So whenever I do finger curls, I just take a very small section of the side that I'm going to be working on, just like this. And then I'm going to detangle it with a rat tail comb, and I'm just going to start off by just twirling the hair, literally just twirling it around my finger, starting from the root and slowly working my way down, making sure that as I twist, I'm keeping it as secure as possible so that I could get the most precise curl as possible. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing right here, and I just keep on repeating that process all the way down the strand that I'm working with. And then once I get to the end, I just twirl it multiple times around my finger to keep it nice and smooth. And voila, you have a finger curl. It's very simple, but it does take a lot of time. So I just like to make sure that I be super careful and try to get the curl as smooth as I possibly can get it. And as you can see right here, I'm just repeating that same process. Start off at the root, twirl super tight, and keep it as secure as you can as you twirl downward. So this is what the side of my hair was looking like once I completed all of the finger coils, and as you can see, it looks so beautiful and so shiny. I loved it. So I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my head, and here it is once I completed all of the finger coils. So now all that's left to do is let the hair air dry. Okay, this is what the back was looking like. Very bouncy. I loved it. So now we're just gonna let it air dry, and then we're gonna come back once it's dry to separate the curls. So this was the following day. I let my hair dry and I just slept with it overnight. I always like to wrap my hair up in a silk scarf and a bonnet just to keep the hair nice and secure. And we are about to get into separating these curls. And whenever I separate my curls, I like to use an oil. This is the Monet Rejuvenate oil. And I'm just gonna take a couple drops in my hand, rub it together, and start separating the curls. I like to use an oil because I find that as you separate the curl, it just prevents frizz and it also keeps the hair nice and shiny. So I'm just gonna take each curl and I'm going to just separate the strands just to give me more volume, more fluff, and just, you know, more life to the hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna separate, and then as I separate, I'm gonna twirl the hair around my finger a little bit just to make sure that it keeps its curl. And that's basically what I'm gonna be doing for this part of the video. I like to make sure that I keep my hands very moisturized with the oil so that I can moisturize my hair and just keep the shine and the lush, the bounce, and the softness. So this is what my curls were looking like after I separated that strand, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just keep on repeating that throughout my entire head until I get my desired volume. So here is a comparison of it fluffed out and separated versus not fluffed out and separated. As you can see, the difference is drastic. So I'm just going to complete this all over my head and I will be right back. This is what it looks like once it's all done. I'm obsessed, you guys, and it has been so long since I've done finger curls, so to see the outcome was just like so drastic for me. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed the turnout of this look. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you have not done so already. But that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave some suggestions of other videos that you guys would like to see from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.